At Initus, we're driven by a simple goal: implementing technology solutions that deliver results. We brought that mindset to the chemical manufacturing world, where staying ahead means constantly evolving. Zochem, a global leader in zinc oxide manufacturing, reached a stage where its manual order processing was a bottleneck. That's when we stepped in. Ken Williams and Tiffany Cole share how they worked with the Initus team to build an InitusIDP solution to overcome that bottleneck and improve Zochem's operational efficiency.
Prior to engaging with the InitusIDP team, our purchase order process was a very fragmented manual process, which resulted in our team members spending valuable time on data entry and chasing answers from other internal parties.
Our daily routine was basically run into the printer constantly, tedious double checks, reaching out to team members multiple times to get responses. I think it made us feel a lot of the times like we were always chasing answers.
So we had an inherent risk of missing an order when team members were on leave and/or they had printed out the purchase order and it was waiting for input on their desk.
For Zochem, a new tool wasn't enough. They needed a partner willing to listen and learn the tribal knowledge that runs their business. They found that level of commitment in Initus.
It was equally evident that the InitusIDP team had a strong desire to not just deploy a solution, but to truly understand our processes and deliver the best possible outcome. In short, it was the service before, during, and after the sale that exceeded all of our expectations.
They demonstrated this by taking time to review and learn our processes, not just from order receipt to order entry, but until the order actually left the plant. And they created custom templates and specific mappings to capture our like exceptions or one-offs per se.
The best analogy I can give you is they crafted the perfect plan for us to fix the car while it was driving.
In a 12-week sprint, Initus turned complex manufacturing logic into a seamless, AI-powered reality.
So utilizing an AI-centric solution, such as the InitusIDP AI engine, has been a game changer for us because we now have the capability to receive, read, decipher, and process a wide variety of purchase order formats, both accurately and at pace.
It was relieving, honestly. It was like I was carrying all this baggage that I was finally able to let go of because all of their scripting systems and everything that was able to hold on to this tribal knowledge that I didn't have to carry anymore.
The results were immediate: 90% automation and a shifted culture.
So in terms of return on investment, as an old finance person, I'm always hyper-focused on the cost versus benefit. And as a purely financial operation, this project certainly delivered.
I really think that we've shifted from data entry clerks to customer service advocates with this project.
And when once individuals and organizations realize that they can successfully undertake projects such as this, that's when the fun begins and the power of forward thinking is truly unlocked. The return is simply immeasurable.
Zochem and InitusIDP, making great things happen.